Hey, I'm Derek from Armadillo Composite Decking. Proper planning is crucial for a successful composite decking installation. In this video, we'll cover the essential steps to ensure your deck is built to last. From joist spacing to blocking, I'll provide you with the tips and tricks you need to plan effectively. Let's get started on making your deck installation smooth and efficient. All right, so what we want to show you here is typically you're going to run your boards perpendicular along your joists, and you're going to run them at about 16 inches on center, if you see that. Okay, that's pretty standard for Armadillo decking, but what you'll see over here is we have another design. This is a herringbone design, and with a design like that, you're actually going to run your joists 12 on center, and I'll show you exactly why. Because if you're putting your board down perpendicular like this, 16 on center, and then you take it and you turn it 45 degrees, that 16 grows to 24 on center now. So by going 12 on center, you're decreasing the span in which your board is covering, and you're getting a lot more sturdy feel under your feet even when you're running your board diagonally. So it's an important thing to do whenever you're laying out your deck to pre-plan where your blocking needs to be in order for you to complete a picture frame. So if you take a board like this, you can kind of see when you put this down, you've got something to tie into underneath it, right? And then your next board that you're going to run perpendicular, you need to have blocking for as well, because you have to have something for this to land on. Additionally, if your deck is going to require you to have some sort of a railing, one of the things you're going to want to do is make sure that you have blocking in place that is going to be able to support those posts. So that's why you see this block here, and you'll see this block over here and over there as well. Proper planning ensures a smooth installation process and a durable deck. With ArmadilloDeck.com, you have access to all the resources you need to plan effectively. Visit our website, learn more, and get started on your project. Let's build a deck that you'll enjoy for many years to come.